Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the exciting world of RC monster trucks. In 2026, these behemoth machines are more thrilling than ever. From high speeds to off-road capabilities, there's something for everyone in this list. Whether you're shopping for your kids or indulging your inner child, these trucks will unleash endless fun. Stick around as we unveil the top 5 best RC monster trucks of 2026 that will leave you racing for more. Monster Jam, official gravedigger, remote control. Monster Truck, 124 scale, 2.4 GHz, kids. Toys for boys and girls, ages 4 and up. This officially licensed Monster Jam Gravedigger RC truck is a fantastic choice for young monster truck enthusiasts. Ideal for kids aged 4 and up, this 124 scale model captures the essence of the iconic Gravedigger. With a 2.4 GHz frequency, it offers seamless control for multiple trucks racing at the same time without interference. The vibrant design and robust build make it perfect for indoor and outdoor play. A slight drawback is that it may not handle rough terrains as well as larger models, but for novice drivers and fans, it's a solid entry point into the world of RC monster trucks. HAIBOXING, 118. Scale all-terrain. RC car, 118859, 36. kph, high speed. 4WD, electric vehicle with 2.4 GHz. Remote control, 4x4, waterproof off-road truck with 2 rechargeable batteries. The HAIBOXING, 118 scale. All-terrain RC car is a powerhouse for speed lovers and adventurers alike. Capable of reaching speeds up to 36 kph, this 4WD electric vehicle is designed for thrilling off-road experiences. Best for slightly older kids and teens, it features a 2.4 GHz remote control that provides excellent range and reliability. The waterproof capabilities mean you can take this beast through puddles and mud without a worry. While the dual rechargeable batteries are a major plus for extended playtime, the truck's size may make it a bit less maneuverable in tighter spaces, but its speed and durability surely compensate for this. Threeking 116 waterproof monster truck toys, RC cars, amphibious remote control car trucks. 4WD, all-terrain off-road, pickup. Toy for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Year-old boys, girls. Kids Gifts presents the Threeking 116 waterproof monster truck is an all-terrain marvel that can tackle both land and water, making it a unique choice for adventurous kids aged 6 to 12. Its 4WD functionality enables it to navigate through muddy paths and grass with ease, while the waterproof design allows for splashes and puddles during playtime. This affordable option boasts impressive build quality, which ensures durability during rough use. However, the size might be a bit cumbersome for younger children to handle. Still, its amphibious nature and robust performance make it a top pick for outdoor fun. BEZGAR, monster truck toys, remote control. Monster truck with light and music, dinosaur toys for kids, 120 scale RC. Truck with 360 degrees. Spins and drifting, remote control. Car for boys, 4 to 7. The BEZGAR monster truck is a delightful blend of fun and functionality, specifically designed for kids ages 4 to 7. This 120 scale truck comes packed with vibrant lights and exciting music that enhance playtime, making it an engaging option for younger enthusiasts. Its ability to perform 360-degree spins and drifting maneuvers adds a layer of excitement, allowing kids to showcase their driving skills. While it's a fantastic toy for indoor use, the smaller scale may limit its performance in outdoor settings compared to larger trucks. Nonetheless, it's perfect for those who are just starting to explore the world of remote control vehicles. Amphibious remote control car, 118, monster truck. Toys for boys. RC cars, 2.4 GHz, waterproof RC trucks, 4WD. All-terrain off-road pickup, kids' Christmas birthday. Gifts present boys, girls, toys ages 6+. Taking the top spot is the amphibious remote control car, a remarkable all-terrain truck that is perfect for kids aged 6 and above. This 1/18 scale monster truck brings the thrill of off-road driving right to your backyard or the local pond thanks to its waterproof design and 4WD capabilities. With a 2.4 GHz remote control, you can experience superior range and control while racing against other vehicles. The truck's robust construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of adventurous play. However, the powerful motor can make it a bit tough for younger and inexperienced drivers to control at high speeds, but the excitement it brings is unmatched, making it an ideal gift for any young monster truck enthusiast. There you have it, the top 5 RC monster trucks of 2026. Each of these fantastic vehicles offers something special, catering to different age groups and skill levels. Whether you're looking for a beginner-friendly option or something that can tackle any terrain, these trucks are sure to deliver hours of fun and excitement. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and to get your hands on one of these thrilling toys today.